Hello everyone, I am Tarun from Avishkar. The chances that you are accessing this video is because you are participating either in IRC League Junior or you're taking one of the courses with Avishkar. This screen that you see in front of you is a very interesting visualization and virtualization of the robot called Tweak and how to code it to go through a certain path or a problem statement. So as you can see on your screen, there are four different parts of the screen. The topmost is the part where the scoring or the administration part is there, which is essentially either a problem statement is mentioned on the left hand side over here. If you click it, you will see the problem statement, or on the left hand side or just below the problem statement, you have the arena, which is essentially the map of what a child has to do or what a participant has to do when they solve this problem statement. On the right hand side is the third view is essentially the 3D rendering of this particular map. This is where the actual virtualization will happen, and on the bottom is where you write the code. So four parts to the screen again. First one where the administration happens. Second one where the problem statement is defined visually. Third one, the actual virtualization of problem statement. And the bottommost is where the code is written. Again, now let's just go through writing a sample piece of code for this. So let's assume that as a part of the problem statement, Tweak, which is kept here, has to go and collect some boxes from point one and then drop those boxes same at the drop location point one. Of course, the problem statement can be different. So first we will drag and drop the start block. This is the start block for the Tweak interface. Then we go into movement and we go forward. This arrow forward means that we are going forward. Two would mean that we're going forward by two blocks, and each block is essentially nothing but this particular grid or this particular unit or cell of this particular grid. So we've gone forward by two blocks, and then we need to take a left turn there. So we drag and drop this particular block, which is essentially the left turn. Then we take another forward. So now what we've done is forward one block, forward two block, taking a left turn and forward here. So we are right now here. So what we will do is we will now drop or rather pick the box. So this is the pick icon. And every time that I pick something, I have to give it some time for the picking up to happen completely. 5 seconds is minimum what you should do. So if you're not giving 5 seconds, the chances are that the box would be kept on the street and you would move forward, which exactly you don't want, right? So now, so far, what we've done is gone forward two steps, taken a left turn, reached this place, picked up a box. That means what is left is gone forward one more turn, or and gone forward one more block, then take a left turn, and then gone forward another block and then drop. That's what I'm gonna code here. So gone forward one more block, and then another left turn, followed by another forward block, and followed by another drop that we have to do. So this is the drop icon, and then we give it some time period, again 5 seconds, and finally a stop block. So this will ensure the whole code is run. So let's now look at the code. First, we need to reset. This is one of the views that you can see. This is the robot level view, and this is the high level view. So I'm going to use the high level view here first. And when I click on the play icon, that means it will start executing the logic that I have written. So let me execute the play icon and watch what happens with Tweak here. Yes, two forward, left, that's right. A block box is picked up. That's exactly what we want to do. Another forward, and a box is dropped. So that's exactly the code that we wanted to run. I hope you find this useful and can use this to write more interesting code or solve interesting problem situations. Thank you.